Hi friends, I am here with Jonas. He prepared that thing there. This is a model for the first wall clock, and that one is the wood that the largest shop for people who work with wood, they gave that. Jonas is preparing that one to give to them. And now here you see the machine we got. He fixed up below this. That is I don't know how to say that. And he is going to start working. He already started. I asked him to stop a little, so just for you to see some of his work. So this is one of the videos of many. We are registering, we are recording to show how we are organizing a community destroyed in the Amazon and help them industrialize their products and help Jonas to get treatment, a decent life, and help him to be an example for all those around here. Watch all our videos. Search for EmbraceTheAmazon.org in YouTube and the internet. Search for EmbraceTheAmazon.org